Hello! Programs based on condition in Java, and this is application program number 3. A cloth showroom has announced the following festival discounts on the purchase of items based on total cost of the items purchased. The discount season. Oh wow! So everyone is very fond of discount, and the more you buy, the more discount they give. So if you buy, the more your amount is, the more the discount is, right? You see here, if someone purchases something which is costing less than 2000, then the discount is 15% of the purchase price. So 15% on the total cost. Then if it is from 2000, means including 2000 to 4999, then the discount has increased to 25%. Then if it is from 5000 to 9999, then the discount is 35%. And if the purchase amount is more than 10,000, then you have to pay so less. It has to be 50% discount, So someone buying something of, you will check if someone buys something of 9,000 rupees, what is the amount the person will pay? And if someone buys something of 10,000 rupees, what will the person pay? We'll check that through the program. So input the cost, total cost, and to compute and display the amount to be paid by the customer after availing the discount. So here comes. But before I show you the answer, I expect you to do the program and then cross-check the answer, right? Here is the answer for your understanding, not for your seeing and copying, Avoid doing that. That will not help you in learning. So, how to proceed? See, total cost and discount. Input the total cost. If the total cost is less than 2000, then the discount is 15% of total cost. If, now you see, this is a if. This if says if it is more than equal to 2000 and the total cost is less than 4999, then the discount is something. Now the if part is either true or false. Now if the value is suppose 6000, then it is not falling in either this belt nor on this belt. So if it is more than 5000 and less than total cost is less than 9999, then if it is more than equal to 10,000, then there are 4 cases that are shown. And finally, the discount amount is the calculated value and the amount payable is total cost minus discount value, right? So when I will run this program, we are going to check how this program is going to help me in calculation of two numbers. One is if someone buys something of rupees, say 9,500, what is the amount to pay? Oh, I made a mistake. Sorry, I pressed, instead of 0, I pressed enter. Now, here. If someone buys something of 9500 rupees, 9,500. What is the value? The amount payable is 6,195 because the discount amount is percentage is 35%, right? If another smart one comes next, and buys something of 10,500, right? See the amount the person will pay. Even person will pay less. You see, the more the bill amount is, the more the discount is. And therefore, the final value is also something to be decided upon. This is how you can take advantage of a program. And now I have got one more thing to show you. That is a change in the program where I'm going to show you the use of else if. Because you see, this program is running fine enough. There is if means all the ifs are not connected to each other. So if this is true, do this part. If this is not true, then it has got nothing. Don't do this part. Then if this part is true, so these all ifs are called broken pieces of if. Broken if. They are not connected to each other. Then I'm going to show you another piece of code where you will see. What is it showing? Check it out. I have modified the program so that you understand what is the role of else in if. Else means when the above if is not true, then it works. That means if someone purchases something of say rupees 1,000, then the total cost will become true for total cost less than 2,000. Now, if 1000 is making the first condition true, then will the else part happen at all? Or it will not happen at all? Think. If you have understood, congratulations. If you have not understood, then I am telling once again for you. If the condition is true, then it happens. Then the else part doesn't happen. If the condition is false, then it does not happen and the else part happens. So, if total cost is less than 2000, so if the person has purchased something of rupees 1000, then the moment the first condition becomes true, after that, none of the else part will become active. Right. So, this else, all these else which I have highlighted, they will not even allow its part to be tested, because what is less than 2000 is also less than 4999, right? So these are not supposed to be tested at all. Okay, so I will enter a value. For example, suppose I enter a value of 12,000. 12,000 will be false for this and this and this, and therefore will become true. If someone enters say 3,000, 3,000 will come to this which slab, you see. If the value is 3,000, then this part will become false. Therefore, it will come and test itself through this condition. I will modify the code a bit so that many of you who have got a bit of struggle in understanding else if will understand it thoroughly. Just one halt. A very short halt, and I did this change in the program. Now look at the program and tell me what change do you observe. This time what I did was, I have introduced else and I have also introduced these statements in conditional blocks. Now how will you know which part is happening? So this time it will show you the output and then you will be able to understand which part is working. If I enter 4000, then 4000 is not true for the first case, but 4000 is true for the second one also. For the third one also it is true. And finally also, like else, final else, 4000 is valid for all of them. It is more than 2000, isn't it? So let us see how the conditions are going to work and give me my expected answer. Right. So I'll enter. Now I'm going to choose one number for each of the block. So when I will choose 1000, suppose I choose 1000, easy number. Well, you see, do you think all of them will happen? I don't think so. Because you see, the first one is true and the others are getting not even tested. First one is true and means it's over. Now I will run it once again for the second example. Second time I am choosing something like more than 10,000 case. Okay, 20,000, 20, 1, 2, 3. Enter. Oh wow, the 50% discount. You see, the statement of 50% discount is getting shown. Then I will choose one case of say, let me choose 3,000. Which part is happening, you see? Not all of them, only one of them is happening. And which one is that? That is the one which is getting this value in it. Only then it is releasing it, right? And now if I choose 5, 6, 7,000, right? The next choice is 7,000. What do you get? Do you get 35%? Yes, right? Okay, so please go through the code once again all over yourself and verify out of the options which part is making which part happen, right? So here is the full code for you as an overall view. Right? Okay.